In this video, we're going to look at drawing a sphere. Now, a sphere doesn't have any edges, but to give it some sort of depth to the drawing, we do want to include some dashed lines. So this is just a hemisphere, but what you need to imagine is that we're drawing this half, and we're going to be able to see that circle inside the ball, inside the sphere. So that has two hemispheres that we're kind of drawing together. And so to draw a sphere, we're going to start out by drawing a circle. Try to keep your hand in a nice steady motion to give it as smooth of a circle all the way around as you can. And then we want to draw the great circle, this circle that goes around the diameter, the middle of it, that splits it into two hemispheres. And so on the front side, that will be a solid line, and on the back side, it's going to be the dashed line. Now, some people will also do the same thing vertically, do this solid line and dashed line in the back. For the most part, I find that this is good enough to illustrate that it has 3 dimensions. If we want to include the radius in there, that is always an option too. So circle, solid line in the front, and dashed line in the back. The other thing to think about would be just drawing a hemisphere. And so in this one, we have our base, just like in a cone. We have the solid part and the dashed part. And then we want to try and have the top half of the circle connecting these. And so this is sometimes almost harder to get that sort of dome shape. To imagine that this is half of a circle. I probably could have kept these two a little bit closer together to help out. Doesn't look as much like a hemisphere as I would like, so I'm going to try it one more time. I keep it a little narrower this time. And then I don't have to go up quite as high on that. That looks a little bit better. I probably want my circle part to be somewhere between what I did on those two. So, drawing a sphere, circle, and then the great circle around the middle.